Hello guys, hi, this is Syed Bukram. Hope you're doing good. Welcome to my YouTube channel Data Science for Everyone. As we are covering the Excel series, and in this series, as we previously discussed regarding creating our own monthly budget, and this is how the sheet looks like for monthly budget. For my monthly budget, this is like what is my expenses, like room rent, food expenses, petrol expenses, party expenses, credit card bills, phone bills, gas connection bill, and this is the total what will be doing after all we are completing the things. And then this is what the monthly budget consists of, like for this month's total expenses and so on. uh, let's see how we can do it. Like expenses, like over here we need to edit it because we are putting over there as a budget, so it should be just for petrol what we have the budget, and for party what we have the budget we will be putting. And let's see, and credit card bills and so on. And we are working we are dealing with the numbers over here, so we can put on the simple thing like for room rent. Let's see it's 5,000 rupee. I'm giving a room rent for per day. And then for food it could be cost nearly 3,000 a minimum, and we are putting that. And for petrol it's minimum 1,000 rupee. And we can calculate this thing on a US dollar too, or depend on if we are currently calculating on INR, so Indian rupee. So we can calculate on like party expenses. So we could see the party expenses for like it could be 1,000 rupee more. And then for credit card bill I have balance of 3,500. And then you could calculate for phone bills. It could be somewhat like 500 around. And then gas bill it was around 700 or 600 to 700. So this is what my budget or monthly bill is, or you can say monthly bill or expenses. You can put anything like expenses or expenses. So let's put like expenses, that will be great. So for Feb again, you could see there is an increase in room rent. Then 500 has been increased, so it got increased. And in Feb, I got a few friends in my home and some good party work. And then you could see over here like, and now we could see like in Feb we have some food expenses more. We have some friends invited to the room and so on. So you could see 4,000 or 5,000 this one. And overall petrol expenses to have traveled more, so I need to go for 2,000. And then party has been more over here, so we need to put 3,000 more. Then credit card bills got various, because guys, we got the friend in our room, so we have party, we have expenses for food more, we have traveled more, so petrol expenses will be more. There are more parties, the party expenses will be more. And again we did some shopping, and then credit card expenses will be more, so that will be again 8,000 someone around. And then phone bills, that will be same I think. And again gas bill will be 700. So now we could see in the Feb we have mostly, oh my god, this is mostly a huge difference overall here. We could see if we do this, the monthly budget for Jan over here is like 14,700. You could see over here. Let me show you clearly on this. If I click over here, here guys, near the sum 14,700. And in the Feb you could see over here sum is like 2000, like 24,700. It's nearly twice the amount what we have the budget for Jan and Feb. Again for the March it's like little bit very tough month because we had already spent so much, so we can't cut over here. But food expenses we can save for 2000, and then we can save over here for petrol. I didn't travel much. And then again there is no party because we already did a lot of party, so just we could enter 000. There is no party over here, that's 0. The credit card bills is like normal over here, like 3,500, and so on for the bill of 500 for the month. Phone bills and then gas bill will be the same, and so on. And if you applied for the normal, this is a normal month like April. See what we have done for the March month. So the March month like 12,700, the expenses has been reduced from like Jan month itself too. So it is the lowest expenses what we have done overall in the March month, and then this 3 to 4 months. So coming towards April, we can put on room rent is same like 5,500, and this is the equal month. Like we don't have any issue overall, so monthly budget will go smooth, I think so over here. So we are putting the normal values. Party we can do little more, so 2,000 over here. So credit card bills, so 3,600 this time, and phone bills too same, what 500, and gas bill got a little bit expensive, little bit 750, so we could put this one. So on guys, this is how we work with like numeric values in Excel, and hope you got the video. And in the next session I will be like making the video on how to use the date and so on, and I will show you one thing over here guys, particularly like notice one thing over here, like with what's the issue with this and this formats overall here. You could see the number is alignment at like right side, and the over here the text is at the left side. So this is most common feature with each maximum like softwares, and not only with Excel, because alignment is like position of the data or values. You could see text is in left side most and the number is the right side most. So we can do this if you want this to be at left side, and then you can put this. But there is an issue, there will be an issue, because Excel will assume or think that it is a text again, because we don't need to do this, because by default these are in the right side of it. So we don't need to do any changes of it, because these are the numeric value. It will be at the rightmost alignment, and the text value will be at the leftmost alignment. So that's it for the guys and today, and in the next session I will be covering up regarding the dates, how to work on dates in Excel. Thank you, have a great day, bye.